Hey guys, so let's quickly talk about Kubernetes jobs. Now, the main function of a job is to create one or more pods and tracks about the success of pods. They ensure that the specified number of pods are completely successfully. When a specified number of successful run of pod is completed, then the job is considered complete. Now let's talk about how to create a job. Now use the following command to create a job, as you can see in the screen at the top where I am pointing through my cursor. In the above code, we have defined kind job. We have defined the kind of job which will tell kubectl that the YAML file being used is to create a job type pod. Name -py, this is the name of the template that we are using and the spec defines the template. Name :py, we have given a name as py under container spec, which helps to identify the pod which is going to be created out of it. Now image-python, the image which we are going to pull to create the container which will run inside the pod. Restart policy never. This condition of image restart is given as never, which means that if the container is killed or if it is false, then it will not restart itself. Now we will create the job using the following command with YAML, which is saved with the name py.yaml. Now this you can see here on the screen, and the command to create the job is what I have mentioned here where I am pointing through my cursor on the screen. The above command will create a job. If you want to check the status of a job, use the following command. If you want to check the status, then we have to type in the following command. The above command will give the complete status of the job that is created, such as how many pods completed, how many successes, start time, etc. Okay, now coming on to scheduled job. Scheduled job in Kubernetes uses cronets, which takes Kubernetes job and launches them in Kubernetes cluster. Scheduling a job will run a pod at a specified point of time. A periodic job is created for it which invokes itself automatically. Now there is a point to note there. The feature of a scheduled job is supported by version 1.4 and the \v2 alpha 1. API is turned on by passing the runtime config batch v2 alpha 1, what is mentioned here, while bringing up the API server. Now we will use the same YAML which we used to create the job and make it a scheduled job. For that, let me quickly flip the screen. Okay, so in the above code we have defined schedule -h30 is to schedule the job to run in every 30 minutes. /bin/sh, this will enter in the container with /bin/sh. ps-eaf will run ps-eaf command on the machine and list all the running process inside a container. This scheduled job concept is useful when we are trying to build and run a set of tasks at a specified point of time and then complete the process. So this completes my walking through for the job command, and in the next lecture we would be talking about labels and selector. So till then I'm taking a pause. Thank you very much.